Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. This saves time. On Windows, open Settings, then Devices, and switch Bluetooth on so the system can search. Make sure your Airpods are charged in the case and the lid is open to enter pairing mode. This forces discoverability. Close or forget other Bluetooth audio sources to prevent automatic reconnection because Windows will pick the first available device. Once done, move quickly to add a device so the Airpods appear in the list. Now you pair the Airpods. Click Add Bluetooth or other device, choose Bluetooth, and watch the available devices list populate. Patience helps because discovery can take 5-15 seconds. When your Airpods appear, select them. Windows will display a pairing progress notification. If a prompt asks to confirm, accept it. Unlike phones, Windows rarely requests codes but will show a simple confirm button. After pairing, go to Sound Settings and set the Airpods as the default playback and microphone device so audio routes correctly. Finish by testing audio and mic immediately. Play a video and open Sound Settings to confirm input and output. If sound is low or only one Airpod plays, make sure the correct profile, stereo for music, hands-free for calls, is selected. If pairing fails, remove the Airpods from Bluetooth devices, restart the Bluetooth adapter or PC, and re-add them. This clears stale connections. One key troubleshooting tip: update your Bluetooth drivers in Device Manager if problems persist, because outdated drivers are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.